All right, we're ready for some beautiful fabrics. And again, we're doing them all at $12.99. And you guys, these are real steals. I'm going to explain them to you because they're so much fun. They're just really beautiful. So this has got just a little bit of glitz in it. You kind of see it's like all through. So it's a different kind of glitter, that it's more built into the fabric. And it's lovely because it's just a little less. This is a cotton poly. It has stretch in both directions. Great drape. Beautiful piece of fabric. Great drape. Very slimming. This is what we've all been asking for because these are these earth tones. And so we're focusing on earth tones today. This is a very small check, which is black and brown. And it's so, I mean, you know, it's just so classic. These are all from the same designer, and they're not, I'm not allowed to say the name. You know them. That's all I can say. Anyway, black and brown, it's reversible. This is a cotton poly. It has a nice burn to it, so that means there's more cotton than poly probably, but very pretty, very pretty. This is a stretch lace. You all requested this, and the stretch lace is beautiful. It has stretch in one direction. Very soft, very pretty. Just perfect for anything you need a stretch lace for. This is a beautiful knit. I love the tones in this, the colors. This is 100% viscose. Great drape. It's like an ITY in a viscose. It's really, really nice. Got a great drape to it. And you can see it coordinates with this just really beautifully. Slacks. This is a cotton poly, mostly cotton again. I thought it was all cotton until I touched it. So there's just a little bit of poly in there. And it's a stretch woven. It has stretch in one direction. But really pretty base to this. And then this is a beautiful way to bring in, if you wanted a jacket to go with. This is a scuba, reversible scuba. This is what's being shown so many places right now. This is an earth tone cream on the outside and black, but again reversible. Very beautiful cotton poly. It's a woven scuba. Anyway, beautiful selection of fabrics. All of our earth tones. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.